yeah. Yeah, yeah. You know, I can still remember when it was just me and you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today for this video I'm going to be doing a Mickey Mouse themed makeup look, and I actually got inspired from Pinterest, so if you want to see the original look I'll have it linked down below. The first thing I'm doing is I'm making an outline for my wing using the NYX liquid lipstick. And this is just a red color, so if you want to do the same thing I'm doing, you can just use any ordinary bright red, like a cherry red liquid lipstick, and make an outline for your wing. After that, I'm going to be creating Mickey Mouse's face, so I'm just making like a round shape over my wing, like a half circle. Going into the Morphe 39A palette, I'm just going to be using that black shade to set the liner. Using my NYX glitter primer, I'm going to be priming my Mickey Mouse for glitter. So for glitter, I just used a NYX glitter, and I combined it with a little bit of silver glitter just to help for the glitter to pop more, or to have like a sparkle effect. And yeah, that's pretty much what I did. Going into the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm going to be using that red shade to set that liquid lipstick that I applied earlier. For liquid liner, I'm using the Ruby Kisses liner, and I'm just using a simple white liner to create the dots, and it doesn't have to come up perfect. You can just, you know, try your best. However it comes out, it'll be fine. But yeah, and plus, as soon as you apply the lashes, if you do decide to wear lashes for this look, it's going to cover it up anyway, so it doesn't really matter. For liquid liner, I'm using the LA Colors liner, and this is just a black liner that I'm using to outline the wing. And this part was definitely a bit tedious, but you just want to take your time with this and just go slow and make sure you focus so it can come out as perfect as you want it to. Alright guys, so we are coming up to the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy this Mickey Mouse makeup look. This was a very fun look and I really enjoyed creating it. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you in my next video.